Alright guys, now we've heard that the V8 has been discontinued. That means you'll be driving your 200 series and VDJ 79 all the way until it breaks. But lucky you had Land Cruiser 7, so that's what we're going to be doing from now. All your VDJ needs we can do. For example, this 200 series has done 400,000 kilometers now. This is our own personal one, so this has been tested quite extensively. It's running 2 G-turbos, big injectors, PDI front mount intercooler, G-turbo tune, making good far past the 1,200 Newton meters. And yeah, something broke on the engine that I didn't expect to happen because I've never seen it happen before, is the water pump. And yeah, 400,000 kilometers later, the water pump's gone. So we personally think now that with the discontinuation of the V8s and the guys that don't want to keep them, we're going to be specializing a lot more in rebuilding of the V8s and doing long-term maintenance on them. So I'd recommend that anything between about 200 to 250,000 kilometers is where you can come in, do a water pump exchange. This thing unfortunately left us quite far away from home, and then was an issue. But you know, this is a reliable engine, but you've got to keep it maintained. So that makes a big difference. So with this water pump exchange, what we've done now is we've changed all the pulleys on the drive belt in front, as like I said, 400,000 kilometers on. But with the water pump change, we've changed the entire unit, the Toyota unit, with a gasket at the back. We've also then changed obviously the thermostat and all the tensioner pulleys that go with it, and obviously we're putting a new belt on in front. So bring your Land Cruiser in and we'll keep your 1VD alive.